we're going with, he has a harder cooler. But I didn't know it gave you a bag, so I'm going to grab my little cooler. But you're right, that little cooler wouldn't have done anything for this.
Thank you very much, Jim.
Thank you, sir. Yo, that's the man that owns this little business.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He was helping me out. Like, I didn't know what I was doing. Because he was telling me my cooler was too small
Oh, really?
for that 20-pound bag of ice.
So that costs $1.50
Yeah.
for all that ice?
Yeah.
Back to the car. Guys, this must be the infamous bucket.
This is the pee-pee bucket. This is the bucket Angie gonna pee-pee in, y'all.
And she said that with a smile on her face. I'll be darned. We used to use those type of buckets to put like food and stuff for slop for the pigs when I was young.
Yeah.
All right, we got our ice.
Back on the road.
On the road again.
I don't know that song.
Going places.
That we've never been.
Now she know it now. Look, look.
Something, something,
She know it now, guys. She know it. Viewer discretion is advised. This is not going to sound good. Okay, I'm gonna do the music.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Doom, doo 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 doo, doo 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 doo, doo 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 doo, doo 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 doo.
I'm driving in my car.
You're riding.
I'm riding in my car.
I'm riding in your car.
And I'm turning on the radio.
That's right, go ahead.
And when we kiss,
Oh, no.
fire.
Okay, let's try this again. Guys. All right, here we
See,
go.
I want when you get in my car, you turn it on, and we getting it on. We ain't doing all that extra.
Let's get it on.
Ooh.
Let's get it on.
That is terrible.
It is terrible, right?
Terrible.
Terrible. But don't you tell those people who signed us though. Don't you say it. Doom, doo 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 doo, da 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 doo, doo 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 doo. I'm riding in your car. Doo 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 doo. You turn on the radio.
Do 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 do.
You're pulling me close.
Do 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 do.
I just say no.
Do 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 do. You tell me no, I'm putting you out the car.
I say I don't like it.
But you know that's wrong.
I'm a liar.
Oh.
Just, yeah, go ahead.
But you know I'm a liar. So you knew that before you
Yeah.
got in my car.
Cause when we kiss.
Oh, you gonna like it.
Ooh, fire. Do, 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 do. Here's the part I like. We're gonna fast forward to the good part. You ready for that? A Romeo and Juliet.
Do 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 do
do. Samson and Delilah.
do 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 do.
Oh, and you can bet.
Do 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 do.
Oh my goodness, we can't sing. B Squad. Your girls are busted. You hear me? You know what? That B doesn't stand for Brownings. It stands for busted. That's what it stands for. Busted Squad. We are busted.
No. Never.
No. We are busted. All right.
We're gonna leave that singing alone, y'all.
Yeah, that's what we need to do. What other song is one of my favorite songs?
We're not singing anymore.
Yeah, let's do that. You haven't You don't know the words to any of them yet. It's got to be something you know the words to. She act like she did something.
I need to go in that Rosa. They might have some pretty little sundresses in there.
Rosa's Express. What's the difference between? I don't know. What happened?
You just need to stop singing. Just leave that alone.
Guys, what songs do you want us to sing? If you want us to sing a song, you put it in the comments and we gonna sing that bad boy. Now Noretta may not know the words though.
Or not, guys.
She may come in.
Don't do it.
She may come in somewhere around the chorus.
Oh.
Boy.
Well, y'all, I hit them brakes, but Angie didn't drop that camera. Like that camera is a part of her anatomy.
It is. What are you all doing? You're meeting at the Piggly Wiggly? Well,
I thought it was Piggly Wiggly. I need to call it there.
So we haven't been on the road for an hour?
But this is where we're supposed to be meeting.
Well, I'll be darned. Guys, we're supposed to be meeting.
Call Daryl and tell him we'll meet at the IGA because I don't see Piggly Wiggly.
Hold on, gotta call. Gotta call the boss.
Daryl, is Piggly Wiggly still open?
I don't know what it's called. I'm right here at the red light at
Well, go to the IGA.
whatever it is. I think that's the IGA.
Huh?
It's the one right here on 917, right?
Yeah. I don't see Piggly Wiggly. I just passed the IGA.
Are you looking at a convenience store, a BP?
Yeah, I'm at the BP.
You at the BP? Well, I'm looking at the BP. I'm at this red light. That's
What you driving?
a red truck with a boat behind it.
I don't see you.
Are the two of you talking about the same BP?
No, I'm at Circle K BP.
Yep.
You see my Avalon?
I can't see that far. I'm trying to turn at the red light. You'll see in a second. Hold on. Well, you fixing to see me turn.
I see you turning. We're at that gas station.
You see me now?
Where do I need to park?
You see me now?
Turn in the gas station.
Why?
You across the street.
Well, you need to follow me. Come on.
Oh, okay. But don't talk to me like that.
What color truck you in? You done stopped. Where you at?
I'm coming around the building.
That boat don't look big enough for me. That's all I know. Let me turn this around and see if you guys can see this. Yeah. See that? That boat don't look big enough for me.
It's big enough for 3 people.
Oh goodness. That's too much water around me. See what they trying to get me into.
That's the cemetery he was talking about.
B squad.
Angie's in the country squad.
Ooh. Look, that's what we gonna be in. All right, guys, we'll be back.
Just put the stuff in the
I'm gonna park on the other side of
cooler,
that
and
green.
you can park out on the other side of that green truck there in the shade.
We got here faster than I thought. Your girl not even ready. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be interesting. I didn't even use the restroom because I thought we had like probably another 30 minutes to go. Apparently we didn't. So I'm hoping that I don't have to use the restroom. Can you see how excited I am? Hardly. Anyway, let's get some footage of him. He's getting ready to back the boat in, I guess. And just so you all know, I do have to pee. Boat, don't go in that water. Don't go in that water, boat. No, don't go in that water. Come back. Ooh, that's not cute. Look, they are so excited. Oh, I done changed my mind. Oh, look at it. Oh, I done changed my mind. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's not looking pretty to me. That's not looking pretty. There is nothing cute about this.
Alright, you decide what you want. That blue life jacket on or this one?
So I'm sitting in that chair. Oh, goodness.
Wipe it off for you.
Oh, look, he's so kind. He wiped it off for me, guys. I appreciate it.
Angela putting on her life
I'm
jacket.
trying to put on this life jacket. Even the life jacket don't want to go in this water. Don't want to go with these girls. Is this right?
Yes. Snap.
Snap. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Boy, I tell you, that's why you don't have these type of friends.
Wait a minute, I gotta get my shoes.
Where are your shoes? Oh. This girl leaving me. You see how she leave me by the water? Because, boy, you don't want to. If you don't know how to swim, don't go out with her.
I gotta rinse my feet up.
Don't. Serious. If you don't know how to swim,
You were on ground.
don't go out with this one.
You on ground, you don't have to worry about falling in the water. There's nothing around you.
Bad boy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boy, Don't it look like I'm getting ready to kick somebody's door in?
No, it looks like you're trying to save yourself in the water.
Brother, why you always gotta ruin the vibe? Y'all, for real, I'm feeling some kind of way about this water surrounding me. No joke.
It's gonna be fun.
I'm thinking that I made a bad choice.
No, you did. You're gonna have fun.
Maybe the four-wheelers would have been better. Because I would have been on.
Four-wheelers will be next, guys.
I don't any of this. None of this is considered fun to me. Woosah.
And it's just extra, guys.
Retta say I'm extra because she's not scared. Now when we do something when she's scared, then you're gonna see how she act. So we have to do something that scares you next time. What scares you?
Height.
We're gonna do something with heights.
I'm not ziplining.
No. Don't be over the top. Don't be dramatic.
No, I'm climbing anything that's too high.
See, but I'm being dramatic. I'm too much because I have all this water behind me. I mean, it's beautiful to look at. I'm not trying to be off in it.
You guys catching anything?
Trust me.
Well, maybe y'all can catch some after we leave because I know we laugh.
Told you Retta talk to anybody.
I've never been on this beautiful river before.
I'm gonna take him for a tour.
I know what, this water better not make me have to pee. I know, and you brought that
Get
bucket.
in the boat first.
Oh yeah, don't.
I just need some water to crank it, so
Oh, okay. Oh,
which
good.
way you gonna sit? Facing that
Come
way?
on, get in.
I'm getting in right now?
Yeah.
you're getting it right now.
Unless you want to get your feet wet.
Okay, how I get in this bad boy?
Just don't step on no wiring or anything. You got your